Hello everybody. Something a little bit different today. I am up at my neighbours. They have a little bit of a défi à relever, a challenge. They have got just over there, that's going to be tarmacked in a few days' time, and they've got a bit of standing water and stuff like that. Runoff from their septic tank, so it's 98% clean, but not 100%. It's pooling here. Now they have installed a gigantic pipe down in here. Don't know if you guys can see that. And that is for their hydro project, which is a ways away. So what I'm doing today is I'm just going to dig a little trench just down through there and just into there. And next to that really, really large pipe, they've got like an agricultural pipe that's next to it with in a bed of sand running all the way through here. So in effect, all we need to do is just basically do a couple of little trenches down to the side here in order to get to that agricultural pipe. And then we're going to put some agricultural pipe in there and then cover back over. So any of this runoff will just basically run into the agricultural pipe, into the sand, and then it'll filter down through into the other agricultural pipe, which then goes off and away. I'm on my own for the first bit, and Leandre will be back soon-ish, hopefully. And yeah, let's get on and do it. They thought the pipe was underneath here. I found it here. Unfortunately, I have cut the pipe. I wasn't expecting it to be there. So now we're gonna have to dig a trench down through here. I guess the good news is we can make a connection there. Gonna get our hands dirty though. Yep. Okay.
Être loin. Comme ça.
Parfait. Vous êtes le professionnel. Donc, really, we want to wrap this one up.
Yeah, the big one.
And the little one is the little one.
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah?
Yes.
C'est tout?
C'est tout.
Ah, ça c'est bon. Ici,
Au bout.
Merci pour votre aide.
De rien. Hop, on va où, là? Allez, on va pouvoir partir. Oh, c'est bon.
Tiens, allez. Est-ce qu'on peut bouger le camion pour que
Oui, oui.
on puisse ranger le bois là-bas, c'est bon?
There we go. So it's quite unusual this. Never before have I banked drains towards a house and not made a connection. But they assure me there is lots and lots and lots of sand right where we've put the aquacultural pipe, and so everything's going to drain in, go into the sand, and then there's an aquacultural pipe underneath that. Now I've got one little other hole to dig, and it's home time. It's getting on already. There we go, one little hole, everything else spread out around, and the mess that I've made over there. It's home time. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you next time. Bye.